Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. Today we are want to present about improving nonverbal and channels communications at Global Tech Solutions. For that, let me introduce myself. My name is Nur Nabila binti Muhammad Faru and my matrix number is 03 DPR24F 1206. So I will explain B part of introduction. So introductions is effective communications play a key roles in every successful business. It helps employees share ideas clearly, build trust, and achieve company goals more efficiently. In an international company, culture's difference can lead to misunderstandings, especially through nonverbal signals like gestures, tone, and facial expressions. These presentations focus on the communications issue between Malaysia's and German's team at Global Tech Solutions and highlight way to improve understanding through better nonverbal and channel selection strategies. Saya bermaksud, dalam dunia perniagaan, komunikasi yang berkesan sangat penting sebab ia membantu pekerja berhubung dengan jelas dan elakkan salah faham. Bagi syarikat antarabangsa seperti Global Tech Solutions, perbezaan budaya boleh jadi cabaran. Macam contohnya gaya badan, nada suara ataupun ekspresi muka. Mungkin salah tafsir oleh pasukan lain. Jadi dalam kajian kami ini, kami fokus pada isu komunikasi antara pasukan Malaysia dan Jerman serta cara untuk memperbaiki kefahaman melalui komunikasi, bukan lisan dan pemilihan saluran yang sesuai.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Fatin Ada Natasha binti Muhammad Faizal. My number matrix is 03 DPR 24F1181. I will explain about analysis of the situation, which is we have two issues. The first issue is non-verbal communication issues and number two is channel issues. In the scenario, misunderstanding occurred between Malaysia and German employees during a virtual meeting. So, non-verbal communication issues, we have four types. The first one is tone of voice. Tone of voice is a calm tone in Malaysia might seem unconfident to German, who prefer a firm tone. Number two is eye contact. In some Asian cultures, avoiding eye contact is a sign of respect, but in Western cultures, it may be interpreted as dishonesty and disinterest. And then the next one is body language. Certain gestures considered polite in Malaysia, such as smiling or nodding frequently, may be seen as unnecessary or insecure in Germany. Last one is facial experience. Germans tend to use fewer facial experience and value direct eye contact, while Malaysians may avoid long eye contact to show respect. The last one is channel issue. Some employees prefer email for clarity and record keeping, while others prefer video calls for real-time discussion. And then, using email for sensitive or complex discussion cause confusion and delays is understanding the message tone and emotion.
Hi, my name is Nur Atika Najwa binti Muhammad Razi. My matric number is 03 DPR 24F 1210. I will continue about a discussion. The first one is different in nonverbal communication across culture. The second is factor for communication channel selection. Definition for different in nonverbal communication across culture is nonverbal communication refer to exchange for a message without using word, including facial expression, gesture, posture, eye contact, and tone of voice. Differences in nonverbal communication across culture occur because each culture interprets body language, gesture, and expression differently based on their custom tradition and social norms. In international business, these different can cause misunderstanding or often of communication are unaware of cultural meaning attach nonverbal cues. Nonverbal communication have 4, which is body language, eye contact, time of voice, and facial expression. Body language. In Malaysia, body gesture tend to be subtle and reserved as a sign of respect, whereas in Germany, people are generally more direct and expressive. Eye contact. Malaysia may avoid prolonged eye contact as it can be seen as disrespectful, especially towards superiors. Tone of voice. Malaysia usually speaks softly and politely. Tone of voice. Malaysia usually speaks softly and politely, while Germans tend to use a strong and confident tone. This difference can easily cause misinterpretation of emotion or intent during virtual meeting. Facial expression. Smiling is common in Malaysia to maintain harmony and during disagreement. Second is factor for communication channel selection. 1. Message type, urgency, confidentiality, audience, and feedback and needs. Message type. The nature of the message determines the best channel. For example, detailed or complex project updates are better communicate through video conference or official report rather than brief email, as they allow for clarification and visual cues. Second, urgency. Urgency issues such as meeting change or product carriers require fast channel like instant message or video calls. Less urgent matters such as general updates can be shared through email or newsletter. Confidentially, sensitive information such as employees' evaluation, company policies, or financial data should be shared through secure and private channel. Second, audience. The channel should match the audience size, culture, and technological familiarity. For instance, German employees may prefer structured formal email communication, while Malaysian staff may record formal email communication, while Malaysian staff may respond better to personal discussion or video call. Feedback means how quickly and easily respond or clarification can be received. Channel like video call or face-to-face meeting allow instant feedback, improving understanding and discussion making. Needs refer to the communication requirement or goals such as building relationship, sharing information, or solving problems.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Aina Akira Binti Zaisha. My number matric is 03DPR24F1173. Now I will move on to the next slide, which is recommendation. So this recommendation is to improve non-verbal communication and also the selection of communication channels between Malaysian and also German teams at Global Tech Solution STN BHD. So next, we have 5 recommendations. First is establish clear communication guideline, which is create company guidelines that explain proper communication methods, body language, and also tone for both individual and face-to-face meetings to ensure consistency. Second recommendation, which is using the right communication channels, which is like use video calls for important discussion like meetings, and also emails for official updates, and instant message for quick communications to ensure the message is delivered clearly and also effective. Next recommendation is foster relationships buildings, which is organize team building activities or virtual meetups to build trust, strengthen the teamwork, and also improve overall of communication among the international. So next recommendation is utilize technology efficiently, which is like using tools like Zoom or Microsoft Teams and translation features to support smooth communication and also overcome language barriers. Last recommendation is encourage feedback and also clarification, which is like promote an open culture where employees feel comfortable asking questions or confirming information to prevent miscommunication. So, maksud dia, feedback ni sangatlah penting untuk ada dekat dalam communication, lagi-lagi kalau melibatkan communication yang berjauhan, kerana kita boleh dapat tahu apakah misunderstanding of each other and also can improve the communication to making sure the communication is correctly and also consistency.
So the next is conclusion. In conclusions, effective communications is not just about speaking, but also about how messages are shown through non-verbal actions and the channel used to deliver them. This case between the Malaysians and Germans team at Global Tech Solutions show how culture difference can cause misunderstanding. Therefore, it's important for organizations to understand non-verbal cues and choose the right communication channels to make information clear. By improving these two aspects, companies can strengthen teamwork, reduce miscommunications, and increase productivity in international workplace. So, seringkasnya komunikasi yang berkesan bukan sekadar apa yang kita cakap, tapi juga bagaimana kita tunjukkan mesej itu. Kes antara pasukan Malaysia dan Jerman ini tunjuk yang berbeza budaya boleh ganggu kefahaman kalau tak dijaga dengan betul. Sebab itu penting untuk faham isyarat bukan lisan dan guna saluran komunikasi yang sesuai supaya mesej lebih jelas dan hubungan kerja jadi lebih baik. Bila dua perkara ini ditingkatkan, kerja dalam pasukan antarabangsa akan jadi lebih lancar dan juga berkesan.